In this video, we're going to talk about SUI. SUI is one of the major cryptocurrencies out there, which has appreciated a lot over the past year. However, when you look at shorter time frames, SUI has been underperforming. Let's get straight to SUI without any beating around the bush. As you can see, on the day I'm recording this video, SUI is worth $3.41. Holding the 14th position, it has already dropped one spot. Its market capitalization is $11.98 billion, and just in the last 24 hours, it has moved $984 million. When you look at the entire one-year period, you can see that SUI has appreciated by 301%. However, this month it dropped by 14.4%, in the week by 9.1%, and in the day by 4.3%. You can see that SUI is going through a correction, and this window could be a very important moment for investors to invest, to get in during the dip, so you can catch the price a bit lower. Notice that on the day I'm recording this video, SUI is worth $3.41. When you look at the entire period here, SUI has already appreciated by 98% over the whole period. SUI, as you can see, since its launch back in 2023, suffered a lot, experienced a drop, went down to 38 cents, tried to recover in 2024, but fell again, and investors got scared. Shortly after, at the beginning of 2024, it skyrocketed, reaching $4.84, and now it's going through another correction phase, which might be an excellent time to invest. So, when you look at the entire period of SUI and focus only on this past year, its lowest price was 74 cents and its highest price was $5.35. Notice that $5.35 was the highest price in SUI's history and its lowest price was 36 cents. When you look at the entire SUI community, 84% believe it will go up and 16% believe it will go down. Notice that with SUI, when you look at longer periods, there are some people who are a bit idle with SUI, but its community, 84%, believes it will go up, right? So when you look at the SUI market here, across all exchanges, you can see that the vast majority are predicting an increase for SUI. Binance, Sets, Coinbase, and many others, MESC, there are a lot of people predicting an uptrend for SUI, believing that SUI could be an excellent investment. Here are some news pieces talking a bit about SUI, nothing too out of the ordinary. There are some exchanges offering yield on SUI. Notice that when an exchange offers yield, it's very interesting because they end up generating returns and showing confidence in its rise. A lot of things in SUI are still locked. A portion here, 35% is unlocked, 64% is locked. Without a doubt, SUI still has a lot left to enter the market, and that can be a bit risky, right? So, talking a bit about SUI here, SUI is a blockchain platform, meaning it's a very interesting ecosystem, very fast, scalable, secure, and SUI is very important. When you look at some cryptos similar to SUI, Solana, Ondo, Chainlink, Plancoin, and Optimist, you can see there are a lot of players kind of competing with SUI, right? When you look at Bitcoin here, they always use Bitcoin as a comparison, but Bitcoin is completely different from SUI. And now I want to know from you, do you have SUI in your portfolio? Leave your like, leave your comment. Our goal here is to analyze the crypto and see if there's an opportunity. From my point of view, SUI is at an interesting entry point right now. It dropped a lot just in this last month, opening up a window, an opportunity for investors to get in and buy at a slightly lower price at this moment, since it could go up at any time following all the other altcoins. And if you'd like to open an account but don't know how to get started, I left a link in the first pinned comment so you can open an account on crypto.com. Depending on what you do on crypto.com and the amount you invest, we can both benefit. I can earn $30 and so can you, okay? Thank you and see you next time.